Hey everybody, it's Cassie from Helper Tech, and I'm going to talk to you about when you know if you need a new battery on your iPhone. Now, maybe you've noticed it's not been lasting very long. Maybe the percentage will just randomly drop for no reason, or you've had it for a while and it seems like it's probably time to get a new battery. Now, you can get a battery repair done at either my Helper Tech Burnsville store or my Helper Tech Egan store. And you don't need an appointment, but if you just want to be sure, you want to see what the phone itself says, the iPhones do have a diagnostic that tells you what max capacity the battery's at. So easiest way to do is to go into settings, go down, if you're in settings, go down to battery, and you'll see battery health. Now that's a relatively new feature, came in iOS 12 or iOS 11. So you can click on it. This one says service. It obviously needs a battery because it's at 75%. And usually you'll start noticing a problem once you're under 90. And we recommend that's when you get the battery replaced, because this means that I essentially only get up to 75% of what my battery originally did when it was new. So like I said, that is a repair that we can do at our Helper Tech Burnsville store off of Nicollet at 14321 Nicollet Court in Suite 100, Burnsville, Minnesota. So if you have any questions, you can give us a call. Phone number is 651-605-2575, and we do battery repairs for as low as $49. So stop in and we can get that done for you. No appointment needed, and we're open here at Burnsville from 10 to 6 during the week, and Saturday 10 to 3. You guys have a nice day.